Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious barbecue jerk pork. Here I have my pork already washed and I'll be using some Guyanese cassareep. If you can't find that, you can use browning. I have some barbecue jerk sauce, some homemade jerk seasoning, and for the dry seasoning I'll be using garlic and onion powder, dry jerk seasoning, seasoned salt, bouillon, and all-purpose seasoning. So basically what I did was added my dry seasonings to the pork. Then I went in with my wet jerk seasoning. I added a little of that cassareep for color, and I add some of the barbecue jerk sauce. I just mixed everything to combine, and what I did was allow this to sit overnight. Now if you don't have the time to allow this to sit overnight, you can do 4 to 6 hours minimum. And the part of the pork I'm using here is the pork shoulder. This is the best part to use for this particular recipe. So fast forward to the next day, we'll prepare the sauce we'll use to baste the pork with. So in with some jerk seasoning, then I'll add some sugar. We'll also add some of my favorite barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's, and we will go in with some of the barbecue jerk sauce. We'll also add some ketchup to that, mix the combine, and this is the sauce we'll use to baste our pork with. So now to a large baking dish, I went in with some of that sauce. We will not be flipping the pork over, so this helps to coat the pork at the bottom. Now we will assemble the pork into the baking dish nicely, and we will preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We will cover the pork with a piece of foil wrap, place the pork into the oven for about 1 hour and 30 minutes, and then I'll show you guys the last and final step. After about 1 hour and 30 minutes, this is how the pork is looking. It smells absolutely amazing. Now we will top it with the remaining sauce that's left. We will make sure that it's nicely coated. Then we will place this back into the oven, this time uncovered, for another 30 minutes. And after about 2 hours in total, the pork is finally done. It was tender, juicy, moist, and absolutely flavorful. Seasoned right down to the bone. I can't wait for you all to try the recipe. It is everything you would want in some jerk pork. I did serve it up with some rasta pasta, and my family enjoyed it. They went back for seconds and thirds. And if you enjoyed this video, I will appreciate if you would give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will be leaving all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.